Hi, this is Highbridge Motorhome's Devon branch on a beautiful mid-November day, 2025, and we're out in the car park doing a video of this freshly arrived part exchange. It's a really good one. We like to do some slightly sort of less expensive vans when we can at Highbridge Devon. Issue we have is due to sometimes damp issues on coach belts or other things. We end up trading out of maybe 80 to 90% of the slightly older vans. As we warranty the van comprehensively out of our own pocket, we have to be quite careful with what we retail, but the good news is that means while we might not have dozens and dozens of them, when we do get them and retail them, you know, it's a good one. They won't look new, they'll show signs of use. Can't guarantee every little original factory fitted button and things like that is still there, but this is a real good one, to be fair. Really nice van. It's a 2011 Bessacarr E450, so Bessacarr with a luxury arm of British company Swift, and they do very sort of comfortable, quite luxurious feeling ones. The 450 was their mid-range offering, but it's a very modern, both looking and feeling van. They really do have a lovely feel to them, and this one's in really good condition. So it's based on the Fiat Cato, which is pretty bomb-proof, to be fair. So this one's, along with I think all 450s, or almost all the ones I see of this 2009 to 2011 generation, has got the 2.2 5-speed manual gearbox, and that's fine, to be fair. If you want to sit at 70 miles an hour plus on the motorway, then the 5-speed's a little short geared, but if you're happy cruising at 60, which is really the optimum speed for most coach builds anyway, you'll be throwing along about 2700 revs and getting ridiculously good fuel economy. The 2.2 ran from 2007 to 2011. It was actually shared. It was a Peugeot engine, which you'll also see in Fords. It's the benefit of being chain driven. It's the same engine I've got in my 2013 Citroen Relay camper, Desmond, and he is on 128,000 miles now, to be fair. I've done nearly 30,000 miles in 2 years. Engine strong as an ox. So Fiat based Ford Peugeot engine, white colour coded bumpers, look very smart. Headlights are showing some slight misting, which is normal. Mine are way worse than that. It's had the front grille bit here. I think that would have been silver originally, so I think that's either been wrapped or painted. I might be wrong, maybe they're all black, but my head they should have been silver. Smart Bessacarr graphics, got some newer wheel trims, which they're only trims, but they actually look really good. The wing mirrors have got wing mirror, oh no, they haven't. I thought they had mirror guards on them, but they're all in decent condition. It's a tiny little crack on the inside there, the indicator lens, but it's not something we'd replace. It's perfectly functional. Fuel goes in there, mains hookup goes there. Double glazed windows all the way around. Wind out Fiamma awning with an LED outside awning light. Got an electric step, a security handle, so that can lock both across the door and out, like it is at the minute, to help you get aboard. A gas locker there. There's room for 2 gas bottles, 2 6 or 7 kilo caliber gas bottles. It's got a filler cap here for a gas low system, so at some time in its life it's had a refillable gas system fitted, so if you did want to add one yourself, the hard work of putting the filler in has already been done. External gas barbecue point, that one. External main socket there, so quite a good spec. These are 4-berth French beds, so side bed, fixed bed, 4-berth, 2 seat belts though, so you've got 2 different beds. You can have someone visit you, but you can only travel with 2. Big locker, storage underneath the bed. My phone's just flashed up, it's on 15% memory, so I'll try and rattle through this one before I run out of... Oh, dang it, you need 2 hands to do this. There we go. So yeah, big underbed storage locker. That's a deeper locker there as well. You can maybe put your chemicals and your bits and bobs in there. Rear corner condition check, very good. It's a very smart airline cracker on the top there, that's all. It's got a bike cracker on the back. It's got a high level reversing camera and a sticker with the previous owners on it. We can take that off if you don't want that. Going around the other corner, condition check. Yeah, just a very slight hairline crack on the top in the same place. That's just from the years of being driven along. The back end bounces up. You just get a little crack in the top of the gel coat, so it's not going to fall apart and anything disaster like that. Set toilet dump point. You've got a separate shower. You've got your wastewater drain point there. Fridge vents for your 3-way fridge freezer. Kitchen window, lounge window, flue for your gas and electric heating system, and water fill up point for your underslung water tank, which are like 90-100 litres or so. There's a little 2-pin socket next to there if you want to buy a sucker pump for filling up the van. You can do, otherwise just stick a hose in it. Opening up the driver's door, so it's the Euro 4 engine with the grey plastic cab ram from 7 to 11. We've got concertina blinds, which I'm not sure were standard on 4 Series or were optional. Nice dash trim to match the very light ambience. It's such a comfy van, this. It's really, really nice, to be fair. It's a nice place to sit. Reversing camera monitor there. Windscreen blind comes across. And then 5-speed manual. It's got aftermarket cruise control. It's aftermarket, it's been added. We won't check it or guarantee it, but it's there. You can have a play with it. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. So, coming around the outside, so we'll give this van a fresh MOT upon sale. We'll give it a major engine service. Would have been changing the cam belt if it were due, but it's a chain, so that will never need changing, which is fantastic. We'll give it a full habitation service, full valet, and a 6-month comprehensive in-house warranty that covers, including other things, damp and leaks and stuff that no other dealer warranty does, because they use aftermarket ones and they won't cover damp on a van that's more than 10 years old. We warranty it from our pocket, and we do. So that's 6 months from point of collection. Central locking doors. One thing we won't sort of spend days doing is, I presume the central locking works on the rear door, but again, if it does, it does. If not, it locks with a key. Fly screen door coming across there. So electric step. And you come inside, it's a really nice place to be. I find slightly older vans more comfortable. I mean, look at how nice that lounge is. I love the colour scheme. It feels way newer than it is. So parallel sofa lounge, light coloured wood, which you got in the Bessacarrs. You could also buy this van badged as a Swift Esprit. I don't see so many of them. They had a darker ginger wood. This has got a really nice beech, is it, or similar wood. I really like the over cab mouldings as well. It's got a big flow and a really premium feel. Also like the fact it's got a big over cab locker instead of a panoramic roof light. So in the cab, you've not got aircon, but you've got a recently fitted Android, I presume, stereo system. That's probably gone in very recently, to be fair. Twin swivel cab seats, which are in excellent condition. Didn't do the price and stuff. So price is 32,995, mileage is 50,000, length is just over 7 meters, width is 2.24, so it's 10 centimeters narrower than your average newer van, which is good down the lanes. 32,995 is the best value one in the country. All the others seem to be going for like 35. Ours is 32,995. Parallel sofa lounges pulled together to make a double bed, or if you're taking 2 people who want single beds, swivel the cab seat, pull these out a bit, use them as single beds. Loose fit carpets, access to your water tank for cleaning. Big kitchen, plenty of workspace, really nice. Solid countersunk sink, really good Thetford triplex oven hob grill, 3 gas burners and 1 electric. Every one of these I've ever seen, the paint flakes off a little bit there. It's only cosmetic. Factory fitted microwave location. That's a newer microwave. It would have had a different one originally, so that's been replaced, which it's likely to have been. Big upstairs cupboard for all of your bits and bobs. Does come with the original plate racks and cup racks. 2 main sockets and 2 12-volt sockets over there. Not sure they're all original, and extra sockets over here. Sometimes for safety reasons we have to take extra sockets like that off, but if we don't have to, we'll leave them on. Heating is taken care of by the Truma Ultra Heat gas and electric fireplace. It's both a fireplace and blown air. It's been around since dinosaurs roamed the earth. It's still around today. It is absolutely bomb-proof. So behind that fascia is a gas heater element and a separate mains electric heater element. So completely separate from each other. There's also a fan system for blown air circulation. All completely separate. One works, the other one doesn't. You can still use it. Wardrobe have popped from there, so we've got TV aerial on the roof. We've also got solar panel on the roof. That's the flue for your heater, which might put a little bit of heat into your wardrobe as well, keep your clothes nice and warm. Simple control panel above the door, does your lights, levels for things, water pump on off, frost protect. Always got heated tanks, that's a bonus. So yeah, heated fresh and wastewater tanks, that's really good. That wasn't standard. So that's your fixed side bed, 4 storage cupboards above. I really like this TV bracket. It's I don't know where they got it from, or indeed how my colleague managed to pull it out then. Ah, there we go. I mean, that's quite a bit of kit, that. So you can face it at the bedroom, or you can spin it around and face it to the front. It's really solid. So yeah, spot lamps and shelves for your tea at the back, fantastic. There's a blind curtain thing that comes across to separate the bedroom for privacy. And then you've got Swift's bathroom at the time, which gave you the toilet at the end, and then you've got 2 shower doors to create yourself a good sized separate shower. Really good big storage cupboard, mirror, nice basin, storage underneath. Yeah, functional bathroom. It's got a skylight above for ventilation. It's got 3 plugs in the sink, 2 drain holes. Guessing they're plugs for the drain holes, because sometimes you get a whiff coming up out your wastewater tank through your shower drain, so that will stop that. I think it's a little cracker. It shouldn't be here long. So it's a Bessacarr E450 2011. Price is $32.95 to include a major engine service, habitation service, full valet and 6 months in-house warranty. It's got an awning, it's got solar panel, it's got a bike rack, it's got a reversing camera, it's got a snazzy head unit, and it's got aftermarket cruise. Those latter 2 items we won't guarantee. And it's in very, very fresh condition. It's not smoky, it's not doggy. It's clearly been well looked after over the years, and it'd be a great buy for someone that's a first motorhome or stepping up for an older one, or to be fair, it's probably going to be more reliable than the newer ones. So give us a call on 01626 832 792, hit the motorhome sales option. Text or WhatsApp the mobile 07432 662 558. You can email myself direct on jw4 at highbridgecaravans.co.uk. My name is Jody. Check us on the highbridgecaravans.co.uk website, or come and see us midway between Newton, we're at Newton Abbot, midway between Plymouth and Exeter on the A38 South Devon Expressway, and ask us about the wonderful world of the Bessacarr E450. Thank you very much. Goodbye.